Good morning, YouTubers. What's up? Or good afternoon, YouTubers. What's up? Today we got a 111 millimeter Victoranox. It's called the Outlander. Long Phillips screwdriver, regular screwdriver, toothpick, tweezers, corkscrew, and a saw, scissors, a nice little blade, a little over 3 inches. $111 millimeter overall. It's like 4 layers. Yep, 4 layers. A lock on the knife blade there. I don't know when they quit making this particular model. It's been too long, I don't think. They might still be making it, I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd show that to you guys, girls. Well, y'all have a good weekend. Stay safe. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.